to the shop?
Some cobbled cars where clamps are holding suspension parts together that not safe to drive at all.
Oh, craziest thing? Probably was about 10 years ago. What the heck was it? It was a Metropolitan food truck. The guy had it all custom made, and that was probably the most off-the-wall vehicle I've ever worked on. It was all custom, and it was really cool.
We get a lot of, well, we get split truck, or we get split frame trucks, which means like it's rotten. It's amazing how far people will drive their car in the water when it's flooded. That's pretty crazy to see. I've done a few flood vehicles. It never gets old. We get some custom stuff here. We've had like Lamborghini, we've had a Gallardo Black Edition. I did some tires on a Aston Martin. So we get some pretty cool cars that you normally wouldn't see.